Pepe coin could go crazy in price if this happens. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gents. I hope you are well. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel, please. And let's crack on. So we can see Pepe at the moment sitting pretty with a $480 million market capitalization. The last 7 days and month has been a little bit rocky. However, we've seen a very, very clear uptrend, and we are in a very clear consolidation phase, and we could be in a major bull flag position. So remember, guys, we are in a Bitcoin season. We are still not yet in an alt season. We're still not yet seeing these micro cap coins, these low cap coins go crazy, parabolic or euphoric. So this has not yet happened. We are still pending the alt season. The last time we were truly in an alt season was around August 2022. So what we had, that blip back in May, well, we were actually still very heavily in a Bitcoin market, although we were seeing a meme season. At the moment, Bitcoin has all the dominance. Altcoins do not really have that much. So let's crack on with Pepe coin, everybody's favorite little frog. 523.5k followers at the moment on Twitter. This is still one of the best meme coins in the entire crypto space, guys. Pepe coin, I think it's rank 3 overall. You've got Dogecoin, Shiba, Pepe, Floki, and then meme coin. There's your 5 right there. So Pepe is still up there, still a top 5 coin. I just think we're really in a DCA accumulation range for this coin. However, if this can happen, because if we kind of go back in time, you can see this trade's very volatile. We have these big corrective phases. We get a large impulse wave. We get corrective phases again. Now what I'm seeing is a potential huge pump if we can break out of this bull flag position. This looks like a bull flag, and if we were to get a breakout here, which would be really seriously fantastic, we can take that flagpole and we can get a price prediction over here of 0.00000252. So that's a huge breakout opportunity. We do have clear overhead resistance, however, at around the 0.188 mark, as we can see right there. So that's a big region of resistance. So I would be actually putting in take profit. You know, sort of orders TP would be around here. My take profit would be up here. However, if this doesn't happen, we do see a bit of a negative drop, we could still look at a retest or a long position potentially. Remember, this is not financial advice, from this extra support zone where we would lose a 0. It's a big psychological number, so people would be trying, you know, the bulls will do their best to keep the price above that. We don't want to see the zeros get removed. So there is another thing to consider there, that we could potentially see the drop here of Pepe coin, and if that were to happen, you get into that retest range right here, and that is also quite exciting, because if we look at this from a Fibonacci perspective, we can see this actually takes you to 0.0000009. That would be your 0.618 fib level. So there are 2 opportunities. If we just put an array here, we can see you've got 1 there. We've also got 1 here. That makes 2 opportunities of retest where you could potentially be putting in some long positions here for Pepe. If it does come down to this region, then you can use your fib again, and let's say you put an entry in around at this level, you would put your take profit up around here. So this would be the take profit region, and you can see that does provide a trade. So the trade set up on this particular entity here, let's say if we entered around here, the long would be up here, and we could have a short stop loss kind of like this. So this is what I would be playing around with if we do get this retest into this blue corridor or horizontal channel, or you know, this ribbon that I've created. So I'm looking for that. There is also a major DCA zone, which I don't think we will see for a long time, but if we do see Pepe come down to this price range, now that's a level I will be macro bullish on. I'll be really piling in a lot if we see Pepe come back down to this range here. So overall, pretty crazy volatility. It looks like on the daily time frame right now, we are warming up to see something good for Pepe coin. I really would love to see that happen. So yeah, if you are looking to also trade the upcoming volatility, make sure you use my MEXC link, which I've got down below, where you can sign up, get trading on futures, tiny spot fees and trading fees, and you'll also be eligible for bonuses up to $15,000 depending on your deposits and the volume that you're trading as well. So make sure you use MEXC, no KYC, global access. Really love this one. And yeah, Bitcoin's looking good as well. So 34.8k for Bitcoin at the moment. The next leg up will most likely take Bitcoin to $40,000. It's going to be tough. It's going to be really tough to see it, but it is possible. And looking at this, you know, you can see that 35.6k is a huge resistance. You can see that from back in time over here, from Jan 23rd of Jan 2022. That's a huge resistance right there. And we also have some more resistances around the 42k and 45k. Overall, 35 to 45k is a very nice place to be, but we are going to see a lot of overhead resistance here. If you're also looking to dabble in a new meme coin, you've got the Meme Combat project. This is a new ICO, not financial advice, but the price will increase for this token in just 2 days and 1 hour. It's in ICO phase, so you get in early before it goes onto exchanges and does potentially pump furthermore. The link is down below if you want to check out the MK token, Meme Combat, everybody's new potential favorite meme coin here with a bit of play to earn abilities there in the ecosystem. Fear and greed index today sitting at 68. We can see we have greed in the market. So that is how the retailers feel. And that is what is going on today, guys, in the markets here for cryptocurrency. So things are moving. We're getting some altcoins move on the 7 days. We're seeing quite a lot of altcoins also move. PancakeSwap returns from the dead at a 1.32 trillion market cap. So it's quite impressive. Anyways, if you're new here, do subscribe to the channel, get yourself onto the MEXC platform if you're looking for a hot new crypto exchange to get trading on safely and securely. My link is down below for you guys, and thanks for watching this video. See you soon. Bye for now. Stay crypto safe.